Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm back with my next kit for today. And this is going to be my Snippet lacebook kit. And I have, at the moment, 10 of these, and I can make more. So I'm going to just call them like A, B, C, and down through the alphabet for each one. They're all different. So when you order these, in the email, just let me know if you want A, B, C, or D. So let me share with you what you get. And I'm going to show all the options in a moment, but I just want to show you what you're going to get. So you start off with a book base. And these are all hand sewn by me. All of the edges have been serged, so you have a nice clean edge. The books themselves are 5 by 5. 6, 7, 8. 5 by 8, we'll say. Some of them might be slightly smaller, and I'll show you those ones in a minute, and there's a reason for that. But they're mostly around 5 by 8. And there is 8 pages total, front and back. So 4 pages, but 8 pages total. This one is done in this beautiful chandelier fabric, which I absolutely love. There's the center. Everything is sewn for you, so you don't have to do it. I know everybody's loving the book bases every time you've bought one from me, so I've made quite a few this time so that everybody gets a chance to get them because they sell out quickly. So with the kit, you get the book base, and you also get a bag that I have made as well. So when you get your kit and you're making your book up, you can reuse this bag for a pocket on the inside of your book if you like, or you can just decorate the bag, or you can do whatever you want with it. So inside each one is going to be slightly different because they're snippets. So what I'm going to do is coordinate the snippets with each book base. So this one I put together already for the chandeliers, and I coordinated it with the colors that are in here. So, and again, these are all going to be different, so what you see here is not going to be in the other kits, it's only for this one. So I have nice big pieces for you, and there's tons, you know, they're snippets. So I'm just going to kind of go through. This is a nice big piece. So every kit will have, you know, good quality pieces of snippets. There'll be some small pieces. There'll be doily remnants. There's a small piece. There's a smaller piece. This is a lovely trim. I love this one. Look at that trim. There's a nice big piece there. There's 2 of those in here actually. Nice big appliques. Flowers. This is a piece of a very old knotted doily that I've cut up. There's some flowers. This was from a table runner, a vintage table runner. There is some hand-dyed cheesecloth, tulle trim, appliques, more tulle trim. This one has some pearl trim, beautiful doily. There's a tiny little flower from a bridal applique. There's this piece. Little appliques. This one actually has a little flower in it as well. A little, whoops, pink flower. These are 2 little dyed doilies. 2 little rosettes. More tulle trim. A heart. Some pink embroidered trim, a little tiny piece of a pink applique, some more rosette trim, another little snippet. So you can see like there's a big variety, and the bag is absolutely stuffed full. There's some more vintage lace in here. So you're going to get a good selection of doilies and laces and rosette flowers and things like that. And maybe a surprise as well. You never know. So your bags will be stuffed completely full, as full as I can get them. Once the bag is full, like, then I'll do it up. So I don't know how many pieces there will be, but the bags will be stuffed full, and you can see that is. So we're going to call this one with the chandeliers A. So if you want this one, then let me know you want kit A. So again, you get the book with the 4 pages, double-sided, which makes 8 pages, all finished, really sewn beautifully. One seam down the center, so it's nice and crisp and clean. Pages fold beautifully. It's all beautiful fabric. And then the bag, which you can reuse in the book for a pocket, decorate, and all the snippets and a little surprise. So that's kit A. And I don't have the bags here for the other ones, but you do get a bag with them. Now these ones here in particular, I won't be making a bag out of the fabric, but it'll be coordinating fabric with these two, because these ones are amazing. These ones are made with this gorgeous fabric that are views from Paris. From probably around the early 1900s, late 1800s. There is a car in this one, but it's a very old car. So I'm going to guess this one's probably around 1910, if I had to make a educated guess on it. And this one is the Rue de Rivoli near the Louvre. So that's the scene you're getting on the front there. So that's what the book looks like. Absolutely gorgeous and wonderful. I love these images. And then on the inside you can see it says Paris, Le Hotel de Ville, which is that view, and then you've got another view over here, and there's the other side of it. Isn't it cool? I love these. They're so beautiful. These are going to be fun. I want to decorate one of these. And then this one, so that's going to be kit B, which is the Louvre. That's kit B. Kit C is the Moulin Rouge. And I'll open that up so you can see the whole piece. And you can see the very famous windmill there for the Moulin Rouge. And I sent one of these to Roseanne because I knew she would love it. And I kept one to make a book with because I just thought they would make beautiful books, and they do. So the front of your cover of Kit C will be the windmill. And it says Moulin Rouge right on it. And then when you open it, this one has a landscape and the Eiffel Tower in the background there. And then this one is something d'Orsay. I'll have to look on the other side. But it's, again, it's a view of the river in France and all the beautiful buildings. This is the Avenue de l'Opéra here in the middle, and you've got the full look, and it tells you on the top what it is. And there's the other side and the back. Beautiful vistas of France. So that is kit C. D is this beautiful floral fabric, and this is also Parisian fabric. It has the Eiffel Tower on the back, and the front is these gorgeous pink roses. Oh, and by the way, these two and this one are slightly smaller than the rest of the books, but not much. So, like I said, this is ABCD. It's got the fleur-de-lis here, beautiful roses in the script. And then you open it up and you've got a beautiful Eiffel Tower and roses. More roses and script. Fleur-de-lis. Script. It's also got crowns. So that's D. And again, remember, you're getting the bag and all the snippets that go with it as well. So E is this beautiful rosebud pattern. I love the big rosebud in the center, and then all the little tiny rosebuds all the way around it. The fabric in this one is all the same, but you can see it's all been serged, and one nice neat seam down the center. So all the hard work is done for you. So that's what? A, B, C, A, B. I always lose track, you guys. A, B, C, D. This is E, the rosebud. F is this gorgeous fabric, and it says lavender down the side here, and it's got these beautiful flowers, and it says bay and basil and dill. So this, if you're doing like a floral, it says thyme here. I love this fabric. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Absolutely gorgeous. So it says lavender, thyme, bay, another lavender there. It's really gorgeous. So did I say that's F? See how terrible my memory is? A. You guys are probably yelling at the screen. B. C, D, E. Yes, this is F. I should have marked them. G is this really pretty shabby deer fabric that I absolutely love. It's got the little flowers in her hair and the pink polka dots. I mean, it's just the epitome of shabby chic. I love this fabric. It's so pretty. So there's the inside of that book. And again, remember, you're getting the snippets. That's G. H is this beautiful rose pattern here. Very shabby fabric. You've got this nice big rose on the front here. Absolutely gorgeous fabric. I love it. And the background is like an ivory color, and it's got the leaves. It's beautiful. And then inside you've got more gorgeous flowers. So this one's H. That's H. I, and we're getting there, is this beautiful vintage fabric with these lovely shabby roses on it. It's an ivory background, beautiful, soft. I love the roses. They're just very vintage looking, soft burgundy color. So really, really pretty. It's a little darker than it's showing on camera, but you can see how beautiful those flowers are. And last but not least, what did I say? That was G, H. This one's I, kit I. And the last but not least, isn't this fun? This would be what? H, I, J. I know my alphabet. Look at these beautiful Victorian shoes. These are so fun. I had to do one with this. This would be great for a steampunk book or a very Victorian type of book because of the spats, the shoes, the boots. I just love this fabric. And you can see inside, it's all the same. And again, you will get a bag loaded with snippets that will coordinate with each one because each one is different. So let's go through those again. Let me start from the beginning. Okay. So this is A, chandeliers. B, with the Louvre. C, Moulin Rouge. D, Paris. E, roses. F is the floral and herbs. G is the deer. This would be great for a holiday themed book. H is these gorgeous roses. I are these beautiful shabby roses. And J is the beautiful Victorian boots. So these kits are $20 each because I have done a lot of sewing. So if you're interested, my email is in the description box below. And let me know what you think, guys. And they're first come, first serve. And if you're wanting more than one of these type of book with the Paris scenes, I can probably make 6 more of these if you're wanting to do several of those. Or if you just want the book bases, you can let me know that too. And that's it for right now, guys. Let me know what you think. Take care, everybody. Bye.